Welcome to Feldenkrais with Taro Iwamoto. I am Taro, and today I will be guiding you through a whole body mobility and strengthening routine. All you need for this practice is your body, a mat, and your attention. That's it. So let's get started. This is a little bit challenging for some of you, but do what you can do and don't hurt yourself, please. So starting position would be all four, your hands and your feet. So just being here is challenging for some of you. So if that's too much of the challenge, you can get down on your knees and the hands and try there. But for those of you who are able to take this challenge and go through this movement with me, and please join. So, hands shoulder width apart, shoulders directly over my wrist, and same thing with my knees and hips, but I'm going to lift my knees up, and so I'm all four positions here. And I'm stabilizing my back, my spine, and keeping my spine in neutral, keeping my head in neutral. Okay, so from here, I'm starting to take a little walk, a few steps forward, slowly, and back. And key thing is that if you want to make it challenging, do it slowly. Well, you want to move it slowly anyways if you want to benefit from what you're doing. You don't want to learn to compensate, right? If you want to learn inefficient, bad movement patterns, you move fast. But I don't think that's what you want to do. That's what you're here for. So you want to improve how you move. So move slow. Breathing is part of your breathing, the part of your movement. If the breathing changes and you hold your breath, and then the movement pattern will be compromised. So attend to your breathing. Whew. It's hard work. Do at your own pace and take a little longer break or stop sooner. You don't have to wait for me to say stop and take rest. Always, you don't attend to my body, you attend to your own body, please. Because I can't tell, I can't see you, and I can't feel your body. So, but if you do attend to your body and you know when to stop, so you're not pushing too much. You want to work hard, but you want to work smart. Let's return. Now I'm going to go sideways a few times. You move slow. I'm not really giving you specific instructions on how to walk sideways, but if you do slowly and you're trying to keep your body somewhat steady, then that will be enough. Just going sideways, slowly. And now let's change positions. This may be a little hard on your shoulders, so we'll just see how much you can do. Okay, so I'm going to place my hands behind me, fingers facing backwards, pointing backwards, and I bend my elbows, and I'm engaging my shoulders left, and engaging my hips, and lift my bottom up off the floor. Well, let's actually change the position of your hands. So let's try. Place the hands behind you, but the fingers actually pointing forward directions. Same directions as your feet. It's easier to engage your shoulders, I think. So let's press your hands and engage your shoulders and lift your bottom up. Okay, just hold that positions first. So this requires more shoulder stability and the strength, just being in these positions. And then, now walk forward. Slow is good. If it's too hard on your shoulders, on your wrist, maybe this is not the right exercise at this moment, so don't do it. And I'm going to stop. Whew. All these things that kids do and just to play, no problem, right? They can do for a long time. And they're not thinking about working out the muscles. They can do it fun. They're just doing it as a fun game, sort of. We can start to do that. That's fine. That's great. And that's how the kids use their body, and then they develop all kinds of movement patterns and movement skills. So their movement repertoire is much, much bigger because they're constantly exploring with their body. Adults, not enough, right? We're pretty much limit ourselves to a very narrow range of the movement that we go through every day. It is true, the older we get, right? Even getting down onto the floor and move, not a lot of people do that, right? As we get older, we stay sitting in a chair and a couch. And that makes our movement range smaller and smaller. So you can compare movement repertoire of older adults and compared to kids, quite a bit of difference, right? So it's a healthy thing to do. Like you're thinking, why am I doing these kind of things? Well, we're building back up and all that movement vocabulary, sort of, right? So you have a larger, more resources, movement resources, which is quite helpful. So I'm going to return to the same thing. Lift. Okay, engaging my shoulders. You don't want to hang on the shoulders. That's just not really good and comfortable. So I'm pressing my hands and engaging my shoulders, and then I'm going to go sideways. Slow. I would just say this is a really, really challenging shoulder stabilization, strengthening exercise. How about for your core? You're not even using any dumbbells, any weights, no resistance bands, right? Just moving your body, controlling your body in a space. That's a hard work. So do you really need to use a 10-pound weight or 5-pound weights, whatever the weights that you're using? I find that I really need the weights to train the movements and to improve the strength and my stability. Okay, now I'm going to stop. Ooh, it's a great workout. I'm going to do one more thing, just a few times. Same positions. From here, engage your shoulders, lift your bottom up. And now from here, well, if you are able to do it, and you can try it, I'm going to transition to all fours. Okay, and coming back. If you are able to do it safely, comfortably, and do it. And I'm going to try the other way. I have to stabilize my shoulder. I'm going to have to use my hip. Here. All right, I'm done. I don't know how you're feeling. Maybe you were done too long ago. So I hope you enjoyed it. And again, if maybe this is a little bit too challenging for you, but that's okay. Do what you can. Or if you don't feel safe doing it, then don't have to do it right now. Maybe later you feel that you want to try it, then give it a try. Check out these videos. And if you like this video, and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below how helpful you found this video was. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy mindful movement. Bye bye.